Hello everyone, today I am going to show top 5 best mobility scooters to buy in 2023. Based on specification, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon. So let's get started the video. Number 5. iLiving i3 Foldable Electric Scooter Mobility for Seniors and Adults. Ultra lightweight mobility scooter. iLiving's i3 electric scooter features an ultra lightweight design. Made from durable aircraft-grade aluminum, this scooter weighs only 53 pounds including the rechargeable lithium-ion batteries. Easy portability. Designed to move with ease, this compact and transportable scooter features our patented quick and easy 3-step fold and unfold system for convenient travel. Extended battery life. Our batteries keep up with your active lifestyle. The heavy-duty, lithium-ion batteries can travel up to 14 miles on a single charge. With two, you'll always have a backup. Second battery, sold separately. Airplane-friendly, the lightweight, folding frame make iLiving's scooter a safe and convenient choice for airline travel. Stability control. Made with comfort and safety in mind, this scooter is designed with 4 wheels, preventing tip-overs and potential injuries. Number 4. Journey So Lite Lightweight Folding Scooter. The Journey So Lite Lightweight Folding Scooter is a mobility device designed for people who need assistance with their mobility. It is a compact and lightweight scooter that is easy to fold and store, making it ideal for travel or everyday use. One of the key features of this scooter is its weight. Weighing in at just 44 pounds, it is easy to lift and transport. The scooter can be folded down in just a few seconds, making it easy to store in a car trunk or closet. The scooter has a maximum speed of 4 miles per hour and can travel up to 10 miles on a single charge. It has a weight capacity of 250 pounds. And features a comfortable, padded seat and adjustable armrests. The Journey So Lite lightweight folding scooter is also equipped with a number of safety features, including anti-tip wheels, a horn, and a front LED light for visibility. It also has a reverse function for added convenience. Overall, this scooter is a great option for anyone who needs a lightweight, portable mobility device. It is easy to use, comfortable to ride, and can help you regain your independence and mobility. Number 3. Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter. Safely navigate smooth surfaces, easily maneuver over smooth indoor surfaces, and rough outdoor surface, with the Vive 4-wheel mobility scooter with comfort and ease. Designed to safely support up to 265 pounds, the mobility scooter and its tires were engineered for durability and safety. Its easy grip tires are flat-free, non-marking, and are 8-inch. Its maximum speed is 3.7 miles per hour, and it has a driving distance up to 12.4 miles per charge. Comfortable seating, comfortably padded, the wide 15.75-inch seat and backrest provide gentle cushioning and support. The swivel seat rotates, allowing you to more easily step off the scooter without aggravating back pain. The height-adjustable seat can easily be customized with the push of a lever for a more comfortable fit. The scooter also has 2 padded armrests that adjust and flip upward for greater convenience when exiting or boarding. Easy to transport. Quickly disassemble the Vive mobility scooter into 4 separate pieces for easy portability. Featuring a folding, tiller and removable seat, each section easily fits in the trunk of standard-size vehicles. The rear section weighs only 29 pounds and is the heaviest of the 4 pieces. Intuitive easy-to-use control panel. Located on the tiller console, the control panel allows you to set the maximum speed with the variable speed dial, change from a forward to a reverse direction, turn on the headlight, as well as produce a warning tone as needed. The display also includes a color-coded battery life indicator for Number 2, GreenPower 3-wheeled electric mobility scooter. The GreenPower 3-wheeled electric mobility scooter is a compact and versatile mobility device designed for people who need assistance with their mobility. It is an electric scooter that is easy to use and provides a comfortable and stable ride. One of the key features of this scooter is its three-wheeled design, which provides added stability and maneuverability compared to traditional two-wheeled scooters. This makes it easier to navigate through tight spaces and around obstacles. The scooter is powered by a rechargeable battery and has a range of up to 25 miles on a single charge. It can travel at Number 1, Hyper E-Ride e-bike lifestyle. The Hyper E-Ride Ebike is a versatile and affordable electric bike designed for those who want to enjoy the benefits of an e-bike without breaking the bank. It offers a comfortable ride and a range of features that make it a great choice for commuters, casual riders, and fitness enthusiasts alike. The bike is powered by a 36-volt rechargeable lithium-ion battery and a 250-watt motor, which provides up to 20 miles per hour of speed and up to 20 miles of range on a single charge. It also features pedal assist and throttle modes, allowing riders to choose the level of assistance they need for their ride. The Hyper E-Ride Ebike features a lightweight aluminum frame, which makes it easy to maneuver and transport. It has a Shimano 7-speed shifter that allows riders to adjust the bike's speed and resistance to their liking, as well as front and rear disc brakes for reliable stopping power. The bike also comes with a comfortable seat, adjustable handlebars, and a padded grip, making it easy to ride for extended periods. It has a maximum weight capacity of 220 pounds and is suitable for riders of all sizes.